If you're coding in Java, choosing between IntelliJ IDEA and Visual Studio Code comes down to one thing. Do you want a full IDE or a lightweight editor? So, which one is actually better? Let's break it down. IntelliJ IDEA is built specifically for Java. It has deep understanding of Java code, frameworks like Spring, and enterprise tools right out of the box. Features like advanced refactoring, intelligent code completion, and built-in debugging are among the best in industry. It's designed for large, complex projects, and it handles them smoothly. The downside is that it's heavier and can feel overwhelming, especially for beginners or simple projects. VSCode takes a different approach. It's a lightweight editor that becomes a Java environment through extensions. You install things like the Java Extension Pack, and it gives you compiling, debugging, and IntelliSense features. It's much faster, simpler, and more flexible, especially if you work with multiple languages. But compared to IntelliJ, Java support isn't as deep or seamless, especially for large enterprise applications. So the real difference is this. IntelliJ IDEA is a purpose-built Java powerhouse, while VS Code is a flexible, lightweight editor. In terms of performance, VS Code feels faster and lighter. But in terms of Java intelligence, things like code analysis, refactoring, and framework support, IntelliJ IDEA is clearly stronger. So which one should you choose? Choose IntelliJ IDEA if you're doing serious Java development, working with Spring or enterprise apps, or want the best coding assistance. Choose VS Code if you want something lightweight, work across multiple languages, or are learning Java and prefer simplicity. Bottom line, IntelliJ IDEA is the better IDE for Java, while VS Code is better for flexibility and lightweight development, and many developers actually use both depending on the project. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.